Here we've got the K1771 524-piece Trade Centre twin lid toolkit. It's a comprehensive kit including 6 EVA trays. First we have a 117-piece lock-on sockets and accessories tray. It's a comprehensive tray including 1/2-inch deep sockets. Included in the kit is a 38-piece combination spanner set including jumbo spanners all the way up to 36mm and 1.25 inch. The Trade Centre toolkit also includes an 18-piece plier, adjustable wrench and riveter EVA tray. Included in this tray are vinyl PVC dipped pliers and full-size circlip plier set, and riveters and nut riveters, adjustable wrenches and various other pliers. The toolkit also includes a 154-piece screwdriver and fastening EVA tray. This tray includes the all-new Torquemaster screwdriver range, as well as various hex and tamper-proof Torx imperial metric hex keys and various other screwdrivers and fastening tools. The kit also includes a comprehensive 21-piece cut, scrape and saw EVA tray, which includes various hook and pick sets, file sets and various other cutting tools. The Trade Centre toolkit also includes a comprehensive 22-piece striking, prying and punch EVA tray, which includes a large array of various styles of hammers and punches and chisels. Along with the 6 EVA trays, the Trade Centre toolkit also includes various loose tools, including a full range of lock-on impact sockets, a full range of reversible gear spanners in both imperial and metric, professional torque wrench, a range of steel brushes and imperial and metric tap and die set, plus a rechargeable work light.